Welcome, intellectuals. We're going to do question 2 today. The question reads, if the density of petrol is 0.72 gram per cubic centimeters, what is the density of petrol in kg per cubic meter? So we're still on conversion of units. Alright, so the simplest way you can convert units, now I've been given 0.2 gram per cubic centimeters. Alright, then you have been asked to take into this. As you can see, these units are bigger than this. Alright, so what are we going to do? What we are going to do is this. Okay, we are going first, this is same as this can be written as 0.27 0.72 actually. Okay, so this is same as 0.72 grams over, since we have here cubic centimeters, we are going to write same as 1 cubic centimeters because we haven't changed anything. This is what it means. So what we are going to do is that we are going to convert 0.2 grams to kilograms. Alright, and the conversion factor, you know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, so this means to say that to have 1 gram, we have to divide here 1000. We also divide 1000 here. Okay, so that means to say 1 gram is equal to, because 1 over 1000 is same as 10 to the power negative 3. Okay, 10 to the power negative 3 kg. This is how we convert. This is the conversion factor of 1 gram. Okay, 1 kg is equal to 10 to the power positive 3 what? Positive 3 grams. Why positive? Because kg is bigger than what? Bigger than grams. This is how you convert. Let's now talk about how we can convert centimeters. Here we have centimeters to cubic centimeters. What do we know? We know that 1 centimeter, okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power negative 2 meters. This is what you need to know. Okay, why negative? Because meters is what? Is bigger than centimeters. If it's for meters, we would have said 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, which is just factor 10 to the power 2 centimeters here. Now, what we want is to convert centimeters to meters. But these are centimeters. This is the conversion factor for centimeters. It is not for what? It is not for cubic meters. So since we have 3 here, we are going to square this. We are going to have 3 here. Even the here we are going to multiply by 2, by 3. Okay? So what we are going to have, to say 1 cubic centimeters is equal to 10 to the power negative 2 times 3 is negative 6 meters. Alright. Now, by so doing here, we are going now to convert this. Okay? We are going to say 0.72 multiplied by, we are multiplying now by 10 to the power, because 1 gram is 10 to the power negative 3 kg here, over, now here I multiply by 1 times 10 to the power negative 6 meters. You can even see now we have kg per what? Per cubic meters. What you can do now, you can just take this on your calculator, because in chemistry you are allowed to use a calculator, but even without using a calculator, we can make some calculation to say that since we have here 10 and 10, when we are dividing same powers, okay, we are dividing same bases like a over a. What we do, we subtract what? We subtract the powers. If you were 2 here, we have 1, we would have 2 minus 1, which will give us a to the power 1, which is a. This is how you do it. And I know that you know this kind of mathematics. So when you take this on your calculator, please, because you are allowed to use a calculator. You are going to get 7.2 multiplied by 10 to the power 2. kg per what? Per cubic meters. Very simple. Alright, now let's do question 3. Our question 3.1. We are asked to convert this in scientific notation. So, these things are very, very simple. To convert in scientific notation, we are going to write this in the form of m times 10 to the power n. Okay. What do you know about this? M is any number which is less than 10. Okay. Any number less than 10 can be m. Okay. Now n is an exponent. This is also an integer. It can be a negative or a positive number, but it shouldn't equal to 0. This is an integer which is not equal to 0. So what you need to do is that first we are going to move this decimal places up to the point we will hit a number here which is not less than what? Less than, so like the number we have here. Let's do this first. We have 124. Okay, so we can't put our decimal place here. We're going to have 12 which is greater than 10. We can't even put here, we're going to have 124 which is greater than 10. So we are going to put the decimal number here. So we are going to have 1.24. Okay, then multiplied by 10. What we are going to do next now is to count the decimal places up to this point where we have put what is the decimal number. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, we multiply by to the power 8. Is this going to be negative or positive? This is the question, the third question you need to ask. When a number you are converting to scientific notation is less than 1, okay? If any number is less than 1, then the exponent is going to be negative. Simple. But if that number is greater than, okay, is greater than 1, if the number now is greater than 1, the exponent is going to be positive. So now question 2, you can see that this number is always greater than what? Greater than 1. So we put here our decimal place. We're going to have 2.3. We multiply by 10. Okay, we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you can see that we have 10. So it is 10 to the power 10 liters. Alright, so this is the end of our today's tutorial. If you find the video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. You like the video, you also hit the notification button so that you may not miss out on new uploaded videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.